So this is the AX Hybrid Pro panel. Okay, so when you open this one, you have this 8 zones built in. So meaning 8 devices you can connect. Okay, until 8 devices. Zone 8. Okay. So every zone there is COM and zone number. For door contact, you have to connect 2 cables only, directly going to the zone. So in this terminals, you can connect your sirens. You can connect your sirens here, and from here you can connect your keypad. Okay, keypad, and also you can connect bell. But this is the connection for your keypad. This is the power supply port. This is the battery port. So this is where you can put your battery. This is where your network port. Okay, and here this is the ports where you can connect your GPRS module. Okay, this is for Wi-Fi module.